In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Shopify store revenue. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your numbers in Shopify and how to read them with confidence. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is the central place where you control your store, and it's where all your sales data is collected. If you manage a team, make sure your account has permission to view analytics so you can see the full picture. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Analytics. This takes you straight to Shopify's built-in reporting area. It's designed to give you a quick, accurate snapshot of how your store is doing without needing extra tools. Open the dashboard to view your store performance. The Overview dashboard is your home base for key metrics. Here you'll see the most important indicators of revenue and growth, organized into easy-to-read cards and charts. As you explore the dashboard, pay close attention to a few core metrics. Total sales shows the overall amount your customers paid during the selected period. Gross revenue reflects the value of your sales before adjustments like discounts and returns, giving you a sense of raw demand. Net sales is the revenue after subtracting discounts and returns, which is often the best indicator of what you actually earned from orders. Conversion rate shows the percentage of visitors who completed a purchase. Even small improvements here can lead to meaningful revenue gains. And top products highlights which items are generating the most sales, helping you prioritize inventory, promotions, and merchandising. To narrow your view, use the date filter at the top. You can switch between a specific day, week, month, or a custom period to match your reporting cycle. This is especially helpful for checking daily performance after a promotion, month-to-date progress, or seasonal trends. Make sure the date range aligns with your business hours and time zones so your numbers reflect the right window. When you're ready to dig deeper, click into the detailed reports. These break down sales trends and customer behavior so you can understand what's driving your results. You can sort and filter to isolate factors like product performance or discount impact, and spot patterns such as rising return rates or high performing channels. Your store revenue and performance data are available anytime in the analytics section of Shopify, so you can monitor results on your schedule and make decisions with up-to-date information. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.